When beginners enter the world of crypto, they often get attracted to coins that are hyped on social media, what we usually call meme coins. These coins are cheap, flashy, and promise huge returns overnight. But here's the truth. Meme coins are extremely risky, and most people lose money chasing them. That's why the smarter and safer choice for beginners is to focus on top coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other leading cryptocurrencies in the top 10 by market capitalization. Let me explain why. Meme coins are like lottery tickets. Sure, a few people win big, but the majority end up with nothing. For example, coins like Dogecoin or Shiba Inu have given massive returns in short bursts, but their prices also crash just as quickly. If you bought them at the top, you could lose 80 to 90% of your money in days. On the other hand, top coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum have real-world use cases and strong communities behind them. Bitcoin is known as digital gold. It's the most trusted and widely accepted cryptocurrency. Ethereum powers thousands of applications, NFTs, and DeFi projects. These coins may not double overnight, but they are much more stable compared to meme coins. Here's a simple example. Imagine you have $100 to invest. If you put it all into a meme coin and that coin crashes 80%, you'll be left with just $20. But if you put that same $100 into Bitcoin, even if the market dips 20%, you'll still have $80. And chances are higher that Bitcoin will recover over time. Another thing to consider is liquidity. Top coins are traded on almost every exchange, which means you can buy and sell them easily, anytime. Meme coins, on the other hand, often depend on hype. When the hype fades, no one wants to buy them, and you get stuck. As a beginner, your first goal should not be to chase quick profits, but to learn how the market works, how to manage risks, and how to stay consistent. Top coins give you that safe learning ground. So, my advice is simple. Focus your early trades and investments on coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other trusted projects in the top 10. Once you gain experience, discipline, and a clear strategy, you can experiment with riskier coins if you want. Remember, building a strong foundation is more important than chasing shortcuts. Meme coins may look tempting, but top coins will help you build knowledge, confidence, and long-term success in crypto trading.